What's up, guys? This is 3 steps on how to get a girl as a guy. Number 1, don't act zesty if you're not gay. I mean, you're probably not gay if you like a girl, but yeah, if you're not gay and you're pretending to be gay, that's not right. I've seen tons of people tell people to do this, and like in real life and online, it's like, oh yeah, you gotta how to talk to a girl. You just like gotta act zesty. No, then you guys are gonna become friends because she thinks she's safe with you because you guys like the same gender. And then when she finds out that you're not gay and you actually just like her, she's not gonna like you. She's gonna like hate you and shit. She's gonna like think that you like betrayed her and shit. She's gonna feel betrayed and like just don't do it. Instead, just be like normal and just be friendly. You don't have to pretend to be like her to like for her to be friends with you. Like, especially if you act zesty, she's not gonna have a crush on you. Because even if she does start to have a crush on you, she's not gonna maintain it because she's gonna think that like you're gay. So she's gonna think that you're not gonna like her back. So she's just gonna push that out the window. Don't be zesty, dude. Like, I've seen so many people tell you to do that. Just don't. Like, number 2, compliment small things about her. Try not to compliment her appearance too much because compliments on her appearance feel like default ones, you know? But unless it's like her hair, her nails, her accessories, her clothes, her outfit, yeah, but only compliment her hair if her hair's like down or something, or like a half up, half down like this. So yeah, compliment small things about her appearance, but also compliment small things about stuff that she did. Like, say she made a funny joke, dude, just like tell her that it was funny and shit. Just like be like, oh my god, bro, you're so funny and shit. And like, it's not that hard, and just give genuine compliments as well. Like, you like her, you should be able to give her genuine compliments, and genuine compliments come out better than forced ones. So let's say if she did a test and she got really good, she got like an A or something, just tell her, it's like, oh shit, bro, you smart as fuck. Like, tell her shit like that. Like, she did well on like a beep test or something, just be like, yeah, bro, you're like low-key so strong and stuff. And like, yeah, or like tell her that she's cool or something. Like, yeah. So just notice small things about her, and just like, if you see something that looks cool about her, just don't hesitate to like say something, bro. Like, it's Riz to compliment small things and notice small things about a girl. Like, finally, last but not least, do not try to be nonchalant. It does not look like you're playing hard to get. It genuinely just looks like you're a brat, and it's just annoying. Nobody likes it. No girl wants to be friends with you or date you or be around you if you're trying to be nonchalant and stuff. Like, it's really obvious when you're trying to be nonchalant. But don't try to be overly nonchalant either, because that's just be yourself, bro. Like, if you try to be something else that you're not, it's just gonna come out weird and unnatural. So girls don't like that. They just think that you're like crazy or something. Just be yourself. If you're like kind of chalant, be kind of chalant. Just like, don't try to depress yourself. I don't know what the opposite of express is, but just express yourself, just how you are. Like, if you're happy, express it. If you find something funny, laugh. Oh my god, actually have a laugh. Don't just like chuckle and go like ha ha ha. Like, genuinely laugh when she tells a funny joke or something, because nonchalant laughs are just straight up annoying. Like, it's really annoying. So yeah, don't act nonchalant, but don't try to act chalant either. Just be yourself completely. Like, it just being yourself makes your personality come out naturally, and it'll make you feel more comfortable in your own skin, as well as make her feel comfortable around you. Bye.